Welcome to Diamond Hollow. Aptly named, this coastal farmhouse with a wraparound porch is a true gem. Set on nearly an acre and surrounded by conservation land, this home has 54 windows that frame the outside like a work of art and bathe every room in brilliant natural light. Open floor plan transitions seamlessly from the tiled mudroom with radiant heat to the fireplace living room and a well-appointed kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and an oversized peninsula perfect for entertaining. Open to the kitchen and offers slider access to a large composite deck. A bedroom or a home office with a half bath with laundry complete the first level. Suite with beamed cathedral ceilings and a dramatic wall of windows features a walk-in closet, a spa bath, and a private deck. Two additional generously sized bedrooms and another full bathroom complete this level. Walkout lower level makes a perfect guest or in-law suite with a full kitchen, 3/4 bath, and almost 900 square feet of living space. Minutes to Annisquam Village, Plum Cove Beach, Dogtown Common, and more. This is a diamond you'll want forever.